Okay, so for this question, they don't mention anything about a reaction. We don't have multiple different things reacting. It's just a gas in a container. So there's no reaction to write. So this isn't going to be stoic or limiting or anything like that. But I do see that I have a volume. STP tells me my temperature and pressure. It tells me standard temperature, standard pressure. Standard temperature is always 0 Celsius. Standard pressure is always 1 atm. So that's all the given information. Yes, they want grams, but honestly, I don't care what they want at first. This is all I have. I don't have a second pressure or a second volume or a second temperature, so I can't use P1, V1, T1. Instead, I'm going to start with PV equals nRT. For this formula, pressure has to be in atm, but it is. Volume has to be in liters, but it is. I don't know moles. The R value is always given. It's at the top of the quiz here. And the next to the 0.0821 at the top of the quiz, you see all the units, L, ATM over mole Kelvin. That's a nice reminder of what units PV equals nRT has to be in. And temperature has to be in Kelvin, so I add 273. This is going to allow me to solve for the moles. I'm trying to get the moles by itself because that's the only unknown I have. So my moles is 0.303. Now we want grams of chlorine, remembering that chlorine, if it's just mentioned by itself, is a diatomic. Grams of chlorine equals moles that we just found of chlorine times molecular weight of chlorine, 2 times the 35.5. And that's it.